Ladies and gentlemen, I heard this song is very sad, so I bought a candle for this song. So let's listen to it.
Oh baby, that's my Shona Prince.
Wakaenda usina kundihunika. No hello, no goodbye. Saramu shitako. Dakaverengera kukutaurira kuti ndokuda.
Bro, imagine you forget to tell someone that you love them. Not forget, but like and then you don't know to the day you saw them today was the last day, and then mangwana hear the news what ish that's bad.
Way too late, did what only God knows why. Asijiri kundichka moyo, but I know that one day I'll see you again.
Oh, this song is reminding me of a song in Onzi. Ticha Sangana Kudenga, something like that. Like this is the new version. But new generation doesn't have a funeral song. I think this is the one. Takura and Chaps have done something here. But guys, is it true we will all go to heaven and see all the our lost loved ones? I don't know. It's a big question. The Bible says it is true, but I feel like for people who are grieving, they don't want to hear this because what do you mean? Chaps verse is coming. Let's hear what he wants to say. But this song is timeless. I can say Guti, this is going to replace Mangama hymns Anga Gararipo. Obviously, I don't know how, but this is going to be a very timeless song because anytime anything happens, this is going to be the song, right? The new version of it.
Kuita Kwashe. Kudenda kangu fona Dengoti totora mashika kumba.
Sure, imagine that's totora mashika kumba and then the person doesn't reach the destination. Ish. Yo, that is sad. I can't even think about it.
You have to go on my birthday.
Birthday. Shamar, birthday is a long run. Until you die yourself. Funga every birthday. I think you won't even enjoy your birthdays anymore. Like we're not going to fun out to celebrate things like Christmas or Father's Day, Thanksgiving, something like that, just to avoid your birthday.
Timbi maindidzora pane dhakwa ndichinetsana nemudzima zukuru kadaro unopunzika mukanditi ndokuda kuda pana aiziva kuti ndikoke guma zorore murugare yambuya
Shaunzonzi ndokuda or I love you, and then you don't know that this is the last day. This is the craziest thing about this whole concept is you never know if it's the last day, right? It's like Tirapana. One day wakapusha viri kekupedzisera and the next day you never did that ever again until now. which is crazy, right? I think it's the same thing that happens with people. You can talk to a person us and that's the last day you ever see them again. So you guys should do the most while you're still alive. Yeah, this song obviously, this song needs. I feel like Takura Ketchup they should organize a choir version of this song that has no instruments that we can sing as a hymn, right?
Kuita kwashe, ndiye anozima. Kuda kwashe, kuita kwashe, ndiye anozima. Kuda kwashe, kuita kwashe, ndiye anozima.
Okay, yeah, this song is pretty good. It's a sad song. It's a timeless song. It's really relatable for people who are grieving. And I think personally, this song should have a choir. This is my petition to have Takura and Ketchups organize a choir version of this song that people can sing Pasanama instruments. So that, when we go to funerals as the new generation, we can sing this song and then carry it over to our kids, and then probably they will have their own Takura and Ketchups that will sing new songs, right? So yeah, that's that's what's up. So let me, put out the candle. So okay, rest in peace to all the people that rest in peace to all the people that left us, and I hope to the people that remained, they will find peace and happiness going forward. This is very hard to say.